Hi guys, welcome to my nail fantasy. I'm happy you are here. Let's have fun with our nails, and today we're gonna have fun stamping with Sharpies and we're gonna do holo butterflies. If you want to see how I did those, just stay tuned. So, and here we are. I said it already, I'm gonna do stamping with Sharpies today. This is the new hip nail art technique, and I have seen that on Instagram on Alter Ego Nails. This is her picture. Alter Ego Nails. She was the first one I saw using this technique. I don't know if she is the one that came up with it, but I will link her Instagram down below. She has a short video on Instagram which shows you how to do that, and it's a fun technique. It works, it's really easy, and you get great results. You can use regular stamping polishes with that, or you can do holographic stamping polishes to give it a little shimmer. So for summer I used holo polishes, but before I do the stamping I used for my base this EC Cosmetics one-step gel polish. I have reviewed EC Cosmetics gel polishes in a video and I will link that at the end so you can check that out. This one is the gorgeous almost neon orange color. Look how pretty that is. Perfect for summer. One-step gel polishes are to be used without a base coat, without a top coat, and of course I had to use a top coat because I stamped, but usually you use them without a top coat if you don't stamp. However, this one takes 2 coats for it to be opaque, but it's worth it. It's brilliant orange, perfect for summer, perfect for all kinds of stamping. I love it. All the information for EC Cosmetics will be in the description box below. I have a discount code for EC Cosmetics, so I will link that also. Please always read the description box because I will link all products I use, so in case you have any questions. Then I'm going to be using 3 Sharpie pencils, and these are the fine points. I got mine from Amazon. They are all the hype in the US. A lot of people use them for nail art with alcohol. This stamping is something new and I love it. I don't know how they are available in the UK. I got mine from Amazon. In the US you can get them everywhere, Walmart, wherever, in small packages, in big packages. They come in all kinds of colors, and this is the tip you want to have when you use nail art. This is the fine tip here. And I used my Beauty Big Bang metal stamper, and I used the Beauty Big Bang XL plate 003 today. I am gonna be using these butterflies here below for my thumbs, and this full butterfly nail art design here for my remaining fingers. I have shown you the XL stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang in the giveaway that we had on my channel with these plates, and when I received the plates I told you I wouldn't be doing individual swatches for the plates. That might be just boring. I told you I would come up with nail art for each plate. So this is one of the nail arts. I have another one for this plate because they're so versatile, really pretty designs on them. This is the first nail art I'm going to show you with this plate, and we are gonna start right now. And for this nail art I use this holographic silver polish from Esmaltas de Kelly. This one's called Andromeda, and now we're gonna start with the Sharpie stamping. As always, I will speed that up. Please sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you afterwards with some more tips for the Sharpie stamping. See you in a bit. So guys, I'm back and you have seen it. It was fun, it was no problem, worked like a charm, and I want to point out that I had no staining of my stamper or anything. I just cleaned it with a regular lint roller as always. You can see it's clear, it has not gotten any issues due to the Sharpies, and also my scraper is clean again. For the scraper I used pure acetone as always, and the stamping plate is also clean again. This one I also cleaned with pure acetone. Now I have used a holographic stamping polish to stamp with those Sharpies, and then you get this holographic look on your nails. When I use a white stamping polish, that was what Alter Ego Nails did. You can see the Sharpies might become a little more pastel because the white this is not what you want to see. Because the white stamping polish does come through a little. So if you use different stamping polishes for this method, it might look differently. You can test that before. I would guess that if you use a black stamping polish, the colors of the Sharpies might be darker. But it is fun. It was really easy to do. What do you think? Do you like it? Have you done it? Have you seen it before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, I would be happy for a thumbs up. That was it for today. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below. I'm always happy to hear from you. And I would also be happy if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. There will be a bubble coming up afterwards now. And there's my picture. You can click on that. This will cost you nothing at all, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful summertime wherever you are, and ta-ta. Till next time.